Planning a cross-country move? If the idea of driving a massive truck sounds stressful, you're not alone. There's a smarter option that gives you more control, less pressure, and surprisingly flexible pricing. Let's talk about how PODS moving containers actually work, and whether they're the right fit for your move. PODS stands for Portable On-Demand Storage, and the concept is simple. A container gets delivered right to your home. You pack it on your own schedule. Then the company transports it to your new location, or even stores it if needed. No driving a truck, no rushing your packing timeline. It's basically a hybrid between DIY moving and full-service movers. Here's how the process typically plays out. First, you choose your container size, usually 8, 12, or 16 feet, depending on how much you're moving. Next, the container is dropped off at your location. You can take your time loading it, because rentals are usually monthly, not hourly. Once you're ready, the company picks it up and transports it across the country. Delivery usually takes anywhere from 7 to 21 days, depending on distance and logistics. And if your new place isn't ready yet, they can store your container until you are. Let's talk numbers, because that's what most people care about. A typical cross-country PODS move costs anywhere from $2,000 to $7,500, depending on distance, container size, and timing. Pricing isn't flat. It changes based on how far you're moving, how much you're moving, how long you keep the container, and even the season. Compared to full-service movers, PODS can be more affordable, especially if you're willing to do your own packing. Think of it as paying for convenience without paying for full labor. So, is it worth it? Here's the honest breakdown. Pros: you move at your own pace, no rush. No need to drive a truck across the country. Built-in storage gives you flexibility if plans change. Cons: you still have to do the packing and loading yourself. You'll need space for the container, like a driveway or parking area. And costs can increase if you need multiple containers or extra time. It's a trade-off: more control, less hands-on service. PODS works best if you want flexibility in your timeline, you're moving a moderate amount of stuff, or you want a middle ground option between DIY and full-service moving. It's especially useful for long-distance moves where timing doesn't line up perfectly. At the end of the day, moving across the country doesn't have to be overwhelming. With the right setup, it can actually feel manageable. If you're planning a move, take a closer look at PODS. It might be exactly what you need.